today's video, I upgraded from my old gaming PC and spent over $1,000 on my new gaming build. This did take me quite a long time, but in the end, it was totally worth it. So stick around to see me test it on games, see the build process, and total cost or review of it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Alright, so here are the parts I actually decided to use. I'm gonna go over them in a bit, but yeah, just take a quick skim of them. So yeah, let's actually go ahead and go over every part I decided to choose. So yeah, right here I got our motherboard, the asus ROG Strix B850A gaming Wi-Fi. Let's go ahead and open it. As you can see, that's what it looks like on the inside. Now let me quickly open this up. This is a cool motherboard because it comes with a lot of cool things like some keychains in here, and it also comes with some stickers for anyone who is wondering. So let's actually go ahead and start with the CPU, our central processing unit. You can see for this I decided to go with the Ryzen 5 7600X. Right, so here we got the motherboard out of the box. Now we're gonna go ahead and install our Ryzen 5 7600X. So yeah, I'm gonna do this off camera because it's dangerous, not dangerous but scary. So yeah, right, so I forgot to record this part, but here's the SSD, it's already inside. Same with the RAM, it's already inside. I forgot to record that too, but I added it in. And the CPU is actually inside as well. So now I don't know what to do, but yeah, I think we should go ahead and add the CPU cooler. Right, so now let's go ahead and install our CPU cooler, the jonsbo regular fan, air cooled. So yeah. Right, so here we got the case laying down on this flat. I'm gonna go ahead and install this motherboard inside the case. So yeah, I'll see you guys when it's finished. Alright, so as you guys can see, I got the motherboard installed inside the case, as you can see. So yeah, I think all I'm missing now is I'm just gonna add the power supply in the back, wire it all up in the back, connect it all, and then I'll add other things like the graphics card, the peripherals, and yeah. So I'll go ahead and do that right now, and I'll see you guys soon. Alright, so here I got the power supply, a Cooler Master MWE cooled 850 watts V2 power supply. And yeah, I chose this because it'll give me more room to upgrade in the future, because I am planning on upgrading that CPU right there. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and install this, and when I have this installed, I'm gonna show this to you guys. So yeah. Alright, now we got the power supply in. As you can see, it's screwed in, and I just had to screw in these 4 screws down here, as you can see, some of these. But yeah, it's officially in. Now all that's left for us is to wire, and we are gonna need some cable management, but I'll do that later after everything's wired up. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. When I'm done, I'll be able to show you guys. Alright guys, so I just about got all of this connected. I got these all of these cables. You could see it needs some managing though, but I don't really care about that, so it's not much of a biggie. Plus I don't plan on adding more fans in the future. So yeah, I also added this strimmer cable. I added all 3 of these fans down here, and yeah, I think now I'm just gonna go ahead and add the GPU and fix this CPU cooler because it's backwards. So yeah. Alright, so as you guys can see, I closed up the back. It's all nice and small, as you can see. I don't know how that closed. It's honestly a shocker for me. Now we move to the front. I fixed that CPU cooler right there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the GPU in there. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done with that. Alright, so here we got our GPU, the asrock Steel Legend Intel Arc B580. Now I chose this because honestly it's white. That sounds kind of stupid, but I also chose it because it's 12 gigabytes of VRAM, and my previous PC had only 4 gigabytes, and it was able to do everything awesomely. So this is gonna be like a definitely better upgrade for cheap, and it's all I need. Alright, just added the GPU in. As you guys can see, it's pretty and good, snugly. I hope it works. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Alright, so as you guys can see, it all turned on. It looked good. Everything's looking good. The GPU's on. It has all its RGB. I can change the colors. And yeah, honestly, it just looks super nice. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try this out, see if it's all plugged into my monitor, and yeah. Now honestly, this is a much better looking and powerful upgrade than my older PC. As you can see, this is all the RGB had, it was just all blue. But in the end, I'm actually pretty proud of my build. Alright, so right here, I have the PC right there. And as you can see, this is my setup actually. It looks pretty nice if you ask me. All I am missing is a brand new keyboard. As you can see, this is a cheap keyboard. Same with the white mouse, and the mouse pad. So we'll upgrade more in the future, and I'll post YouTube shorts on them about future upgrades. So I'm planning on getting a white keyboard. Same with the mouse and a mouse pad will fit it, because this is a trash mouse pad. But yeah, anyways, other than that, I think that's all that's really missing. As you can see, there's those are my shelves. I could maybe use some decorations. And yeah, honestly, my desk isn't that bad. I'm just gonna swap it out for a larger white desk, so that way I have more space. And I also plan on adding a second monitor over there. Alright, well, that's the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing the process of me finally achieving one of the things I've always wanted to achieve. But yeah, other than that, I'll keep you guys updated on my upgrades, on my future upgrades, and I'll definitely start doing more stuff and more content with this, because like this I am more flexible to doing better editing, as it won't lag. But yeah, anyways, that's the end of the video. Nuclear Cookie out.